Hi all, welcome to another video. This is another mid-tower desktop computer build I've put together. So straight into it. It's standard mid-tower case. It's an EG Onyx, I think you pronounce as Onyx, ATX mid-tower case. It's got 4 RGB fans, and the light sequencers are controlled by a button on the right hand side, so there's no control box to lose. It's purely controlled by that button. So it's got 3 120mm RGB fans in the front, and it's got vents at the side, and it's got a, I think this is plastic, yeah, that's plastic cover that comes off by pulling on the bottom, and on top it's got room to affix 2 more 120mm exhaust fans, but I haven't got those on this build, and that's the magnetic dust cover there. So on top you've got the power button, USB 2, headphone microphone ports, USB 2, USB 3, and that's the RGB fan button I told you about. So I'll move this around to the side. Now the good thing about this case is there's room for our enclosure at the bottom, so all your cables can go round the back and inside this part, and you've got the power supply tucked away there. So let's move round the back. So looking at the back, top left we've got the motherboard. It's got the old mouse and keyboard connections at the top there. We won't be using any of the video output sockets because we've got the graphics card, USB 3, USB 2, Ethernet, microphone, headphone ports there, and that's the exhaust fan there, and that's the graphics card, and that's the power supply at the bottom. So in the next video we're going to be running a few benchmarks, and if there's any games you want me to test on this system before I do that, just drop me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the benchmarking video coming up soon.